We are getting to the last, so close to the last. So right now, where are we? Where are we? We are actually creating that particular magical stuff that make this particular stuff work. Facebook app creation and getting the app ID. You know what I have to do? Let me actually use this particular Facebook account that I know that it has not been used on developers account with Facebook. You understand? So I will go straight to it so that you see it if you are starting out new. So you have to go to a site, the subdomain of Facebook called developers.com. I mean say developers.facebook.com/apps. Remember to put S. You understand? Click on enter. This particular address exactly is where you have to go to developer.facebook.com/apps. If you miss S or miss anything, it might take you to another place. So, as somebody who is new on this particular account, the reason why I use it is because many of you guys do not actually know it. So, if I use my account that I have been using, it won't ask me to register again, and probably you might be missing when you come to that particular place. So, I have to just click on register now, the top right side. Simple as that. So it will get me to this particular place. Welcome to Facebook for developer. Create a Facebook for developer account. I'll click next. That is that. For register, first app, tell us about you. So as you can see, app's name. So I have to write. So what is the name you wanted to give to your app? Remember when they share it, let me know whether if I can see that. Can see it here. Let me know. So look, the name will appear here, as you can see, to appear here. You understand me? So you know you can write any name. You can write any name. For me, let me actually write something like 10K per month blueprint or whatever it is, because actually I'm promoting how to make money. So this particular email, okay, let me actually leave it. I have to click on next, and it will give me where I will check. They will do a security check. So here I should click I'm not a robot. I want for them to actually mark it good or fetch me something to select, whichever one. I have to pass it, as you can see. Select all images of a fire what be this? Wow. Of a fire hydrant. This. So I shift another one. I have to select traffic light. Where are you? Look at it. I think it's here too. Traffic light is here. Is this one traffic light? It's not like it. Let me actually see whether if it will verify me. Bingo. So I have to click on submit. And which of these best describe what you do? Developer, analysis, students, owner or founder, product, marketer. Most of the time Facebook are using all this particular stuff for algorithm for their marketing. Let me actually select a marketer, because we're actually marketers, but it doesn't matter much. So add your first product. So I have to click on add. Now I am now a full member of the Facebook developers session. So I'm adding a product. So it get me to this place. You know what I have to do? I'll just go to, I have created that particular apps. So next time if you want to create another app, let's go to apps. I mean say developer.facebook.apps, developer.facebook.com/apps. Very simple. So it will lead me to where I can see my apps, and as you can see I have one app that you can add products. I don't normally add products. Then you can create add a new app, you can create another app from here and follow the processes. You understand? So what I have to do now, let me actually click on this particular app and do some settings and get what we needed to use to edit our software, our script in the next upcoming video. I believe I'm not wasting your time. Probably our network is actually disturbing us and we can't complain on that. So once I click on it and it came out, so I'm on dashboard now on this particular app. So I'll go to settings and I'll go to basic settings. And when I get to basic setting again, watch whatever I am doing so that you'll be able to not get confused. So it will take me here. What you have to do now, this is the name, this is your app ID. Again, save this, we will use it again. Do not go for this particular one because after setting this particular thing up, I'll go and delete this particular app. So we will need this particular app ID when we are editing our script. So app domain, very simple, type www. Your domain name 70 for mine is 72 hours cash machine cashmachine.net. so that's my domain name. As you can see, W is more than, let me be sure this is dot, show the same. So that is that. You just click on it, then come here, put your name, come here. That is a must. Most of the time you have to put your URL for privacy or for privacy policy. And which URL do we have for privacy policy? Again, we have to go to our landing page. So it should be our domain /pp.php. You understand me? So probably that should be somewhere here, but you have already known it now. Oh, where are you? This is our privacy policy. You understand me? So you copy it. Remember, you have SSL certificate with you right now, so copy it, go here and actually put it here, copy and paste it here. As you can see, I should paste it here, and I have to put SS, because after obtaining the SSL certificate, if you put S here, like if I take this particular stuff now, before we obtain the SSL certificate, if you take this particular stuff, go to browser, it will not show you, but after we get SSL certificate, as you can see, it will show our browser because we have a SSL certificate. All right, you understand me? So we are still in the field, so we put the I mean to say, as you can see, then tell me this is not disclaimer, this is disclaimer, this is not what I want a PP, no, the web privacy. Okay, it's like I open disclaimer twice. So what I have to do is just go to Facebook and actually effect this with PP or your domain.com/pp. Understand me? So if you copy it now and go and test to be sure. So remember to put else on your HTTP link that you give to them. So that is that, it just showed. So we are good to go. So the next thing, you select your category. Most of the time they will ignore it, but high percentage of the time they will not, depending on whatever you are doing. Business page. So select your category. So that is that. And again, what we need to do is to go down and you see this place that says add platform. Click on it and click on add website, the kind of platform you wanted to add, as simple as that. So here you put the direct URL of where you have that particular button that they will click to share. It should be on the second index. It should be here. So you copy this particular URL, you copy it. as you can see. In other words, where that particular button will be, not where they will download it, where that particular button shared will be, which is for me is this one. In other words, share and download button, share and download button. You copy it, you come to this particular, where are you? You come to here, you paste it. As simple as that. Remember, if you're not directing somebody to exact, like if this particular URL do not have .php, because actually is an index file. Remember, is this folder, that will get to, so this file is what to open, is an index file. It's not just ordinary page, so there's no need of me to put .php there. I can only just put /. You understand me? That is that. Then I will click save to save my changes. So immediately you click save, it will just go to all these pages and check. That's why we have to have our page before we can start this particular stuff. It will go to all these pages and check whether if they exist before. Then I have to come here and just click on this status to on it. So if I don't on it, it's only the programmer, the developers, to register developers as I register now will see my app, but the individual will not see it. But after on it, then individual will see it. In other words, my app will be working for everybody on Facebook. Whoever shares it will be able to, it will be shared among people and they'll be able to see what I shared. But without putting it in live mode, it will not be working. As you can see, that is all. So what we have to do now, we have now created that particular app. That is what we mean by creating an app, because I believe that some of you guys, when I said we'll create app, you think we'll start writing JavaScript just to set up something on Facebook. You understand? So in the next upcoming video, let's actually do the magic. So we have created one magic leg. In this upcoming video, we created the second magic leg and we'll merge both of them and upload, and our stuff will start be working. You understand me? So I will see you in the next upcoming video. Let's actually do the script or editing in the next upcoming video. I will see you then. Bye.